Hey, what's up guys? It's John from the Lucky Needle here. It's been a few days since I did any filming because I was actually out in Indianapolis because I don't have a shop to work out of currently. I'm not bringing in very much money, so I decided to take some job offers for different racing work that I was getting called about. So I was running a Bentley out in Indianapolis this week, and I seem to get a lot of calls on those because they're kind of a rare car and not many people know how to work on the GT3 Bentley. So I was out there doing that, and the driver gave me this pretty cool poster. I'm gonna hang this up in the shop eventually. Mimo Gidley was his name. He's a pretty famous driver. Anyways, while I was gone, my brother was doing a bunch of work on the tractor, getting everything mowed over, and I swear to God, every time I'm on that tractor, I almost do something stupid to break it, and this time it actually did break, but my brother was driving it. But don't tell the dealership that, because I don't think they'll cover things under warranty if other people are driving. I think what happened was a stick got up in the engine compartment and punctured the radiators because there's no coolant left in it. So we're gonna go out there and pull apart this tractor because I don't really feel like waiting for the dealership to fix it because it's kind of a long wait. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today.
What's that? That's just a drain line? I've never seen that on a battery.
Yeah, some batteries have vents.
These are just the security doors. Did you loosen the other one?
Yeah, but it won't. Did you get it off? Oh.
Yeah, so I think that's So it definitely just pushed the fan into it.
Yeah.
That's what I'm curious about. Is that hole down here? That was probably the noise I heard. It shoved that piece of plastic up into the fan.
Yeah. All right, so we weren't able to get the radiator all fixed yesterday because we got it out and I found a few holes. As you can see, it's a little bit damaged up, so I had to drive into town and do a little research on how to fix this. So I'm hoping I'm gonna be able to fix this without buying a new one because I priced it out yesterday. It's almost $500 for a new one of these. So I got these aluminum brazing rods from Lowe's yesterday, and I'm just going to use my MAP gas torch here to hopefully seal this up, and we'll be able to continue working. I know it looks pretty bad, but honestly, if you can just get it to seal and hold water, it's fine. It's still going to cool just enough. You've got a ton of other space here for it to do all the cooling. So the important thing is it doesn't leak. So that's what we're going to try to get done today and put this thing back in the tractor, and hopefully we'll be able to get on our way again. These are all connected, or every single one. So if these two don't flow, the rest of it's all gonna.
It's not gonna like clog it.
This side is totally fine, right? like down deeper in the thing than I'm getting to. So we're gonna talk about it, I think. So we finally got this darn radiator sealed. It was way much more of a pain in the butt than I had ever expected, especially after watching YouTube views and making it look so easy. Imagine that. But we got it sealed up, and now we're just putting it back in. We already tested it. We put it in with just the hoses to test it, and now we're just bolting it all back together. We're having a little bit of trouble remembering where everything goes, but it's going pretty good. So I think we'll be back in business here pretty soon. Hey guys, it's October 21st here, and we finally got the tractor fixed up yesterday, and we were doing a little bit of work today, and as you can see, it started raining pretty hard, so we're just kind of sitting here having a beer, waiting for this to pass by. But we've actually gotten quite a bit of forest cleared. It's a little bit difficult, I think, for you guys to see, but I've got a concrete guy hopefully coming out today to advise me on exactly where to put this shop. I'm really hoping we can put it in the original location that I wanted, but we also started clearing quite a bit of forest out that direction where it's a little bit flatter, so that may end up be where the shop goes. It's just going to depend on the price difference of putting it here and putting it there, because over here's got a little bit more slope, so that's what I'm worried about. But anyways, we're just waiting for this Alabama weather to roll through, and then we're going to continue on. Hey, what's up guys? It's Sunday, October 24th. We were actually planning on going fishing today and taking the day off, but looks like the weather is a little nasty out on the coast and it's not raining here, so we decided to just continue on working, clearing this property for the shop here. So today what we're gonna do, we've kind of been putting this off because it looks like kind of a gross job, but we're gonna start clearing out all the trash that's behind these trees here that you already see that we have cleared. So this is probably going to be the least fun part of this job, but we're going to try to get it done. So, and then we're also got a big burn pile going. We're going to light that up today too, and get some more of this brush out of here. Alright, if you like that video and you want to see another one, make sure you click to your right here. And don't forget about all the courses we have available at the Lucky Needle. Click here in the corner to get more information. And don't forget to subscribe right here.